Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. My name is Mehak and today we're going to be doing a chickpeas chipotle salad. It's super easy, super quick and really nutritional. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. 1 cup boiled chickpeas. Second, half cup cherry tomatoes. Third, 1 cup feta cheese. Fourth, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next, Himalayan salt. And last, chipotle sauce. And our healthy chickpeas chipotle salad is ready. So our chickpeas chipotle salad is ready. It's all about pre-planning your meals, guys, and planning them and making them in prior. So it would just take about 2 to 3 minutes if you have all the ingredients ready. It's loaded with protein, it's loaded with fiber. That means it will provide you more satiety and the feeling of hungerness will be reduced. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Request you to please subscribe, hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Mech's Core Pilates, and a lot of food videos. That means everything you want about fitness on one platform. That's Body Pro Coach. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you soon next time.